So Institute Rank will give you the information on rank to best IS coaching center in Mumbai. So these are the top 5 IS coaching institute in Mumbai that you should have the information on. So guys, as you all know that top IS coaching in Mumbai or even in complete India is Fortis IS coaching center. The second top IS coaching is the Hindu Zone. Third top IS coaching center in Mumbai is Yojana IS Coaching Institute. Guys, we are at instituterank.com. Okay. Fourth best IS coaching center in Mumbai is Lakshya IS Academy. Fifth best IS coaching center in Mumbai is Chahal IS Coaching Institute. Guys, today I will be talking much about third best IS coaching center in Mumbai, which is Yojana IS Coaching Institute. Okay, guys, you should definitely read the research report by instituterank.com to have a better insight on IS Coaching Institute in Mumbai locality. Civil services examination is very tough examination, and it is very important that you should have good information related to UPSC Coaching Institute in the selection, because a right selection of UPSC Coaching Institute definitely matters a lot. It gives you the right guidance, it shows you the right path, which will help you out in making your career within the civil services examination, guys. Okay, guys. So, you should definitely join best UPSC coaching center in your locality. Okay, and you should also choose top IS coaching institute in Mumbai. You want to prepare for civil services examination. How you will be choosing top IS coaching in Mumbai? As you will be checking the past year result of the particular coaching, you will be checking the Google ratings, you will be checking the subjects being taught within the particular civil services examination. Guys, rank 1 is Scooters IS Coaching Institute in Mumbai, rank 2 is the Hindu. Here, the discussion will revolve around third best IS coaching center in Mumbai, which is Yojana IS Coaching Institute. So guys, basically, Yojana IS Coaching Institute is Hindi based IS coaching center in Mumbai. Okay, so if you are the one who want to prepare for UPSC Civil Services examination in Hindi medium, okay, then you should definitely check with Yojana IS Coaching Institute. Yojana IS Coaching Institute is the premier UPSC coaching in Mumbai for the students looking to do civil services examination preparation in Hindi medium. I'm talking about in Hindi medium. If you want to prepare for civil services examination, this is the very apt coaching institute. Okay, guys, you need to understand few things when you prepare for civil services examination, that whether the particular coaching institute is offering online classes or not, because during the time of COVID-19 many students want offline online classes. I means by sitting at home, the students want UPSC classes because it's tough to travel at different places. So when you select a particular coaching institute, you should keep in mind what all kind of facilities are being provided by that particular UPSC coaching institute. Are you getting my point? Okay. So when we are talking about Yojana IS Coaching Institute, which is the best UPSC coaching institute, it offers all kind of facilities. It even gives you IAS prelims examination preparation classes, mains examination preparation classes, online classes, interview preparation, best study material, interview guidance, best test series for civil services examination preparation. So guys, if you want to contact with Yojana IS Coaching Institute in Mumbai locality, this is the contact number 9354925314, and in one particular batch there are 30 to 35 students. Okay, and the overall review, you can see that it's 5 out of 5, which is very good review. Okay, so guys, today we talk about third best IS coaching in Mumbai, which is Yojana IS Coaching Center in Mumbai. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.